If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to keep your business cards organized, the MaxGear business card holder is an excellent choice. Crafted from premium North American walnut, this card holder exudes timeless elegance and quality. The meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail are evident in its smooth finish and flawless design, making it a classy addition to any desk. One of the standout features of this business card holder is its enhanced capacity. It can hold up to 50 business cards, which is great for keeping your desktop tidy and ensuring you always have your cards at hand. The design includes a convenient open finger groove, making it easy to access your cards whenever you need them. The slip-resistant base is another practical feature of this card holder. Equipped with 4 anti-slip pads, it stays securely in place on your desk, preventing any unwanted movement or sliding. This ensures that your cards are displayed neatly and remain easily accessible at all times. Overall, the MaxGear business card holder is not just a practical accessory, but also a decorative piece that enhances the professional look of your desk. Its large capacity, ease of access, and stable design make it a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their business cards organized and readily available. Plus, it makes an ideal gift for colleagues, clients, or friends who appreciate high-quality office accessories.